Hello class. This video is intended to show you how to navigate the week 1 assignments. So the first thing, this should be basically where you begin. And so we're going to slide down over here. We're going to click on week 1. And from here, from this particular page, you can see all of the different objectives. And you can open each one. Your objectives, the learning activities, your readings. Now make sure as you go through your discussion forum that you answer each of the specific questions that are posted. And you'll see you have a post 1 and a post 2. Those are the 2 posts for that week. Strengthening your skills, here's the link to your blog, and then here it is to your writing assignment. Now I just wanted it to be clear that first you can open this to get the document, and you see that it'll open here. We click on it. That's not what you need to see. Sorry about that. And so from here, I can now save as. Okay, so you can go to File, Save As. Now, I am then going to type it in here, Week 1 Worksheet, or you can do Basic English, Week 1 Worksheet, and you're going to click Save. Okay, you can also choose a place to put it. Okay, so you can go up to your documents, click on your documents. Obviously mine are different than all of yours. And then you choose where you're going to put it. Now, choosing a place to put it is going to be important because then you'll know where to find it. So you should have a file that says Basic English, February 2019, so that you know all of the documents for this particular class will be in there. So once that's been saved, you just simply go through here and you answer each of the questions, right? Here's your sentence. So an event that's interesting, humorous, or embarrassing. Once when I was 15, and you just continue. Okay, and you can get rid of your line. Sorry about that. And just each one. It is helpful if you change the color. Just makes it easier to see. Let's see, purple would be nice. Just makes it easier to see when you're uploading it, okay? So here you go. And everything's going to be saved. Now down here, because you have the worksheet here, all you're doing is filling in the blanks. Now, organizing, we're going to create an outline. So as you create an outline, you can do it right here. You see here, fill it all in, or you can go below and start your own. One sentence introducing your topic. Right? When I was 15 years old, and then continue their story. And basically, you're setting up the beginning of your introduction. You're creating an outline for your introduction, and then you're going to use this during week 2. Okay, so here we go. We have it. I'm going to Control S to save my document. And now I'm going to go back over to the internet. I'm going to click on Week 1 Writing Assignment. We'll open the window where you can submit it. Slide down. Here it is again. Now I'm going to browse my computer because I saved it to my computer. And over here I can go to my documents. Right, I can find the one that says Basic English. I open it up, I can choose. So even as you're going through all of this, right, you open it and then you can see all of your different files. There you go, and I'm showing you all the files for building our house. All right, now, so once you do that, you've chosen it, you browse your computer, you click on it, you're going to click the submit, I agree to submit my papers to the Global Reference Database, and then you're just going to click submit. Now, if you have something to say to me, you can type it in notes. I just wanted to make sure you can see my document. Okay? And then submit. And this is just going to come up as like a note to me. Okay? Now, the other option is if you're not working with Word, if you need to submit this into Blackboard immediately, all you need to do, we're going to highlight this, slide down. No, not that part. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me see. Okay, let's see if we can get this too. Let's try again. It did not want to slide for me. So we're going to come down. We're going to go to the writing assignment. Here's the worksheet. If it doesn't slide for me, that means it won't slide for you, and that's not fair. Ah, there it goes. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to hit Control. It should be in the corner. Control Copy. So that's Control C. Now I'm going to click on Write Submission. You can open it up so it's the whole page. Place your cursor and then Control V for Control Paste. And then here it is. Here's your form once again, and you can do exactly what we just talked about if you were going to save it to your computer. Okay, so either way is fine. And then when you're finished, where did our lovely little thing go? Oh, we're going to shrink it, and then we're going to come back down to Submit, and you still have the same options. You can still add comments and then Submit. Now, some of you are having trouble because the Safe Assigned only accepts these documents. And so if it's something else, I can't see it. I can't grade it if I can't see it. So just make sure that it is in one of these. And if it's not, then all you have to do is cut and paste it and paste it into the submission text. And then you can click Submit and you're good to go. Alrighty, so I hope that this has been helpful for figuring out how to submit the week 1 assignment, and I will post another for week 2.